What is going on, everybody? My name is Fitz Miller and welcome back here to another video. Today we're gonna be slamming Danny's Ux200. So you guys have seen this before when we put this tri-spokes on, but today we have a special guest called Godspeed coilovers. This thing should be low, so Danny, you excited, man?
Yeah, I hope it goes low enough.
Me too, man. We can always break out the old angle grinder, right?
I have one.
We'll be good. You guys already know. Get our morning poop going. I tried so hard.
We got so far. In the end.
Didn't even matter. So Danny is currently removing the sensor. And we got, looks like 2 bottom bolts for the coil. Yeah, it is like a S13 or a Subaru up here on the front of the UX. And then up top, we found the 3 little holes for the top bolts. Yeah, the top hat bolts.
You need a whole new life. Me too, man.
They should have brought the automatic ratchet, bro.
Yeah, out here fucking Neanderthal in this car. Caveman.
Alright, y'all, remember to hit me up for coilovers if you guys need some. Unfortunately, I don't have access to Godspeeds, BCs, Megans, D2s, Neomax, Silvers, like so many other options. These are a great budget option if I don't have what you're looking for. Godspeeds are like 630 bucks. Some come with camber adjustments. Good entry mid-level coil. Seriously, if you guys need coilovers, go down to the email down below and hit me up. Next, we're gonna be removing these 2 bolts here through the bottom of the original shock. See if it comes out. All the top nuts are loose. The top ones are 12. Next, we're removing this little bracket that holds the brake line on. And from there, we will do these 2 giant nuts, or bolts, whatever the hell.
Oh, thanks.
That'll be $100, please.
All right.
Probably like a 21 or 22.
Maybe we're not putting coils on today.
We tried the other side. It worked great. So
Yeah, it looks great.
try the nut side first, not the bolt side. I still think it's funny that she started with hand tats of all things. Nowhere else. Also worth noting that we took the sway bar link out as well, so go ahead and do that. We got the last bottom bolt coming out here. We should be able to take it out now, just being careful of all the wires and lines and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here, can you push it up a little bit?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, that really wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
1 in a row.
So Danny has started out by maxing the coil like anyone should when they install these. Let's go ahead and toss it in. Again, just reverse process. 2 bottom bolts, this little bracket, sway bar link, and 3 top ones. So we got this one side all buttoned up. It is completely finished. We're gonna blitz the other side and then I will show you guys when we get to the rear. Danny, what you thinking? Front in the air already looks 10 times better.
Hey, that's what I was looking at.
So I can't even wait to see it on the ground.
Slam.
Alright, also both fronts are done. We are now moving to the rear. These top 2 nuts are 17 and there's like a big 20 or 22 on the back of the shock, and then this thing will come out.
I don't know what Lexus was thinking when they designed this,
But the back nut on the bottom of the shock is so hard to get to. So I went inside for 2 seconds.
the bolt was actually loose.
So you
You just spun it.
You just spun it out.
hardest part was just breaking it loose, which Danny had already done.
Yeah, I already done it, but I didn't know it was enough or not.
Yeah.
So I was like, I gotta keep on going.
Yeah, well, 2 17s at the top now. Hey, very nice.
There we go.
So we do have to reuse our top shock mount here. If any of you guys are doing this yourselves.
Yeah, it's spinning.
God. Dude, if that spins, I'm quitting.
This is on there.
It's hard to balance.
Oh, I think.
Did it work?
Yeah. Nope, spinning.
Danny, what you thinking so far?
I like it. I like it. You know, when we put the other side on, it's gonna go even lower, and then the coil's gotta settle, so it's gonna go even lower. Yeah.
Nice, man. Next up top, we have these two strut mount 17s. Ain't no way, bro.
Ain't no way, bro. Okay.
Got it.
I got none of that. It's out. We're good.
One in a row. Gonna have to take out this front lower bolt on the spring bucket here, which should allow us to pry out the OEM one. Very slowly. Very slowly. Yeah, keep her going.
Oh,
Keep her going.
bud.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now shock number 2 is assembled, and our mount. We're kind of doing the whole rear at once here. So we're currently cutting the OEM dust boot cover off.
Hopefully this is what you gotta do.
This is what we're doing. So take off the OEM bump stop as well, because there will be one here on the Godspeeds. All right, just like that. One of our top mounts is on and ready to go in that back right corner. Second one.
Yeah, that's tight.
And that is now ready to go in this corner. We still need to undo this spring bucket and get that spring out. We should be able to have this together in like 10 minutes.
Yes, definitely.
10 minutes? I don't know about that, but
Installing the two 17s at the top of the mount, and we're gonna pop the spring in that bucket, jack it up, and button everything up. All right.
oh shit.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done.
Corner's done.
No, sorry.
So everything is connected on this side, and just popping the wheel on. This corner is done. Let's move over to the other one.
Holy shit. It just bounced off the jack.
Got this last corner buttoned up, and we're literally getting ready to put it on the ground and pull it out of the garage. So we're almost there. All right, moment of truth, Danny.
Bro.
Not bad, not bad.
Dude, that's good.
Front, solid. Rear, we gotta take out that perch.
That's damn.
Bro.
This actually looks good. The rear thing's a little lower. It's gonna feel
This thing's sweet.
And maybe take the spacer out on the rear.
Go ahead and pull it out.
About that.
Yeah, you might. That's
There's a front driver.
It's already
That is
Oh, it's on full lock?
that is almost touching. Yeah, keep her coming, bud.
He's gonna have to take the rear spacer off.
Bro. Nah,
This looks so gas, Danny.
perfect. Bro.
Oh, you're more than good. Never mind.
Dude, that shit looks good.
Oh shit.
Dude, it
Danny.
Danny. I'm not
Oh my god,
It
dude.
lowered the rear. It really did.
It did, dude.
You took the e-brake off and it lowered the rear.
Oh my god. Shoo! Let's go, dude.
damn.
Let's go.
Yo.
Let's go, dude.
See it on this side.
Yeah, this side.
So gas. Oh my god. Well, there y'all have it. The first video of this thing lowered here on the channel. Unfortunately, I have to leave right now this afternoon, but he's going to get smaller tires put on the front. They might dial in the height a little bit more, but we will definitely catch up with him in the future. So, big shout out to Danny for having me over this morning and letting me help work on the car and film everything. Yo, you guys right now, go down below and let me know what you think of a slammed freaking UX. It's now a hatchback. It's now like a wagon. It's not even an SUV anymore. So, anyways, guys, just let me know. This has been Fitz Miller, Danny, Braden. Your name, sir? Will. Back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, and that's it. Have a good day.